going. This is an 029 ms, I think it is, still. They've got slightly different top cover. Brand new piston, brand new carby, brand new top cover. The 029 had a lump on the top up here, so that's all brand new. New filters, new hoses. What else did I put in this thing that was new? New oil pump. That's about it, I think. But yeah, it's a very tight motor. As you noticed when I was revving it, it didn't rev a little bit at one spot there. It's still tight, still brand new. I've got it tuned 25:1 fuel ratio, and that's where it should be sitting. But there's nothing wrong with the bore, it's just down compression, so we decided to put new ring and piston in it. And I port matched everything, so if there was a lip, the lip's gone. So this thing, I'll run it a bit more to wear it in, but I put up for sale. It's a good saw. I'm quite impressed how much power it's got.